Hello, welcome back to Poudre Library's online story time. My name is Erin, and today we are doing a story time all about robots. Beep, 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 beep. And we are going to be reading one of my favorite stories called Beep, Beep, Go to Sleep. Here's our book today, Beep, Beep, Go to Sleep, written by Todd Tarpley and illustrated by John Rocco. Now this story is a lot of fun and there are some great sound effects in here. 3 little robots, time for bed, time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors, round and round, clean your shields. Now power down. Looks like everyone's getting ready for bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are. Beep, beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensor aches, and I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. 3 little robots, back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are. Beep, beep. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolts are too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are. Beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking. No more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirling, squinking, or oinking. Go to sleep. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are. Beep, beep. What now? You need what? Oh, of course, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirling, even oinking. But not these robots, snuggled deep. They are finally putting their boy to sleep. The end. A robot bedtime story. Well, that was a very fun story to share today during our robot story time. And here at Old Town Library, I just want to give everyone a big wave hello, and then a big wave goodbye. And we hope to see you again at online story time. Well, as part of our robot story time, I wanted to introduce you to one of the library robots, Dash. And Dash is available for checkout from Poudre Library. You can find him on the library catalog and also through our Gadgets and Things collection. So Dash can come home with you to play with for a while. Dash is a lot of fun to learn. If you're going to take Dash home, you will also need to load an app on either your smartphone or your tablet. Here are some of the apps that you would need to download to make Dash work out. I recommend starting with the Go app, which is one where you can just explore and have fun with Dash. And then if you want to learn some more about computer programming, you can move on to Blockly and Wonder. And this is called the Go app. And when you use this app, you can tell Dash to do all kinds of fun things. Like maybe you want Dash to move around a little bit. There we go. Yay, so Dash just went in a circle. So there's lots of fun things to explore with Dash, and I encourage you to give Dash a try. If you have any questions about checking out Dash, you can give the library a call at our main number. Otherwise, you can find Dash on the library catalog. I hope you enjoyed meeting Dash. Just remember that Dash is always available for checkout at Poudre Library. You can find Dash on our catalog, and Dash is also available through our gadgets collection, which has all kinds of fun gadgets for you to play with, including telescopes and robots and GoPro cameras and lots of other fun things.